All right, guys, I'm just going to say happy Tuesday, but you need to save this video. Save this video, earmark it, whatever you do, download it, and understand just with the profit wave alone, trading here on M and Q on the 1 minute time frame, I need you guys to see how to trade with this setup that I'm about to show you. If you are a scalper that loves doing the 1 minute time frame and you want to be going for literally the simplest strategy out there that has a big win rate and you catch all the biggest winners, this is it. I by far. And I want you to go back to your charts too this morning afterwards, and I want you to look at this because I need to prove this to you. Now, my own personal trading this morning, you guys can see over here, these are all my pro accounts, did end up doing pretty well this morning. Did about $1,600 total, about $330-ish average per account. Now, there's entries on here that I'm going to go over in a second that seriously, I really mean it when I say this. This strategy is coming from a mentor of mine who does multiple 5-digit days. And actually, we have another setup right here. This is actually coming in. This is actually the setup looking to go short on the bottom here, and this could play out for even more. Might actually even look at taking this as a live trade here in a second if this is coming through. Guys, this is the simple strategy that I want you to follow. When you have a downtrend like this, I need you to be looking out for doji candles. These doji candles are showing you the indecision in the market. Now, are you going to win every trade like this? No, but it's going to have set rules and principles to this strategy, right? So let's look at this. Right here, if we look at this first trade, what I want you to look out for is a doji candle like this, where it has the wick on the very bottom, okay? Let's go and zoom into this. We'll go over and we'll go through every single one of these, and I'll show you exactly. This has an entry, stop loss, everything built into it. So you don't even have to guess anymore. You play the break right below here. This is your entry. Your stop, I want you to just trail above this candle. And if it comes back up, you get stopped out. For example, this one had a loser for 3.25 points, okay? But what did it do? It followed all the rules. You then had another candle here, right? You play the entry break right below here. This is your entry. You guys can see this. Entry, trail, 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 trail. This candle ended up coming right up just above here and got stopped out, right? 5.50. Look what happens. Stay consistent. Next entry, right on this area. Play the break, trail, 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 trail. You're now up 550, or excuse me, 950. Basically making back all the losses just with that one trade. You continue on. Look at this. Guys, go back this morning. 732. Here's your entry trade right here. Take a look. Break of this candle, stop loss, trail, 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 and you got stopped out right here. That's 25.75 points. Next one, right here. Could you say, oh, well, could this have been an inverse candle? No, because you're trailing from the stop right here on this previous trade. Next entry, right here. Break below, trail, 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 trail. Literally, like, see my crosshairs? Think of that as your stop. Stop, 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 stop. Right here, this candle ended up shooting up, so our breakout is right here. 14.5 points. You guys see that? And then we have another one. This is our inverse candle because this had the dot on the top. This is your entry. Trail, trail, trail. We got stopped out. 10.5. So let's add this real quick. So let's not take out the dots, right? So let's go 10 plus 14. What is that? 24 plus 25. What is that? 49. 49 plus 9. Okay, so 10. So it's 59. So 60 points, right? So 60 points, 1. And we had, what is this? Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8. So 50 points. Let's level and just say 50 points. It's a little bit more, but let's make it easy math. 50 points right there alone times 5 micros, right, which is what I love to trade with 5 accounts, is $500. Now, did I personally myself take every single one of these trades? No, I just took a couple of these trades. I didn't take all of them. I actually didn't take these bigger ones down here. My wife had to use the computer and get logged into some health things that we're doing. So I couldn't take these, but I was able to pull out a good amount this morning. So this strategy, the best thing I love about this, you guys, is one of two things. How simple is this where you don't even need the new metrics that I'm coming out with here in January? So it doesn't even have buy and sell signals. It doesn't have a dashboard. This is literally just on price action. So if you are a price action trader and you want a strategy that is proven to work extremely well, that has an entry, stop loss, and a take profit, everything built into it, this is the strategy for you. I can't even believe I'm actually telling you guys this because there's so much sauce in this video right now that if you actually just follow this, these are the results from this morning. And I want you to go back and look at it. So I hope you found a lot of education with this, though. Now, you guys do know coming up soon, I am going to be releasing everything here on NinjaTrader. So the new update is going to be in January. I just spoke to the developer yesterday, and I'm doing a Zoom call in a couple days to be able to go over and fine tune everything to get the bottom dashboard and everything on there. That will be available. So if you guys are currently a NinjaTrader holder, you will get airdrop that completely free. Now, something I do if you guys are new to this channel is I love doing the 250K challenge through Take Profit Trader. Now, I've had a couple of you guys already send this in, even actually just yesterday. This is still active, of course. When you go over to Take Profit and you purchase 50K accounts, just like I'm trading right now in Pro, and you use the promo code MyFutureSuccess, that'll register your account on TPT. Shoot me a screenshot of those 5 accounts with your name in the top right and a date on the bottom, just so you know it's active. And what I'll do is we're actually going to get on a call together every first and third Friday of the month with about 35 to 40 other pro traders on that call. And in addition, I'm going to get you guys over to the live trading environment that I have with Ron. He goes live every Tuesday and Thursday. The entire first month on me, basically for free, because it's 99 cents just for the first month. If you're going to invest in yourself, I'm going to invest back into you. And that's what I'm doing here for 2026. Take a look at just some of the daily profits on here. Now, Ron is actually live right now. He's live right now with the team. And I'll end up probably doing an update video with you guys to kind of show the wins, loss, and percentages of everything that he was able to do during on that call. But I need you guys to understand this strategy here because of how powerful this is for you to implement yourselves. So, guys, please leave comments below on anything that you have, any questions. And also, if you guys want any other videos that you're coming up with to say, hey, Justin, can you do a video about this? Maybe a higher time frame. Maybe how do the signals compare from the old version to the new version that you're coming out with? Anything like that. You guys give me recommendations. I'm here to give it to you. Let me just go over the deadline here real quick again. This entire week, I told you guys I would be trading with my pro accounts to be able to see if the new metrics and the style ends up working out. So far, we've had a really good success. Friday was positive. Monday was positive. Today is positive. I have a few more days. I don't technically like to trade on Fridays. So what I'll probably do is trade Wednesday and Thursday. And then the following week, that's when all the metrics should be able to be dialed in really well for NinjaTrader. That's the week later on, mid to late next week. That's when I'm hoping to have everything released over to you guys and to do it out in batches to all of you. So I'll keep you guys updated with it. But I hope you guys had a great day trading this morning because this absolutely crushed it. And take a look at this. Memorize this strategy. And if this is something for you, adopt it. If not, don't worry because the new metrics are just going to have buy and sell signals that you can follow as well. But understand price action as well, not only buy and sell signals, and you'll level up your game even more. All right, guys, take care. God bless.